Hello happy people, I'm back with another video. Today I've got some new nails in from BTArtBox and I'm gonna hop right on into the new designs. A special shout out for BTArtBox for sponsoring today's video. This is the newest addition to their X-Coat Tips collection. These are some really beautiful all black French tip press-on nails, and this one, again, it is the X-Coat Tips, meaning that you can apply them with the Gel-X method, meaning you can apply them with gel, and this one comes with 160 nails. So yeah, y'all, let's take a closer look. Super cute. So with this one I did get the long square. And this is what the nails are looking like. Super cute. So you all know with the BTArtBox nails, they're really strong, they're sturdy. Let's see. It fits my nail beds beautifully. Yeah, super cute. Look at that. I love that. These can be cute either matte or glossy, but I just think they're absolutely adorbs. Look at that. Super cute. I think these would be really good too for like Halloween, or you know, the fall months when you're more prone to wear black nails, but these are just real cute nonetheless. So we got the long square. Then they also came out with the medium almond. So let's take a closer look at these. Yeah, these are just beautiful as well. That super gorge. Yeah, I mean, you just can't go wrong with a French tip in general. So yeah, these are really cute. Nice, cute black French tip. Super adorbs. Okay. They also included the French tip protecting duo. So that one comes with the builder gel, which is what you'd use to like strengthen the nail after you apply them. Okay. And then we also have the top coat, which is what you'll use to secure the French tip design in so that it doesn't peel or chip. And then last but not least, we got the brush on nail glue. And this stuff works really, really good. I mean, my nails last anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks when I use this stuff. So I do highly recommend it. It's really good. Even kind of difficult to get off, so you'd even have to soak it off. So that just shows how long it actually lasts when you wear it. Alrighty, so these are the nails that I'm gonna go with for application. I am gonna go ahead and do some quick nail prep. So I'm gonna first push back my cuticles on all the nails. If you all want your nails to look super natural during application, one of the things that I recommend is obviously clipping down your natural nails, but I do plan to pop these off after the video, so I'm not quite sure that I want to do that, so I'm going to leave them at their natural length. Next, you'll go in and rough up the surface of all the nails, making sure to really get around the cuticle area, like so. And then you'd repeat that process on all the nails. I'm actually just gonna do it on the one nail. I do plan to pop these off after the video. Next, I'm gonna apply peel off base to all the nails. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with that builder gel. I'm gonna be using gel to apply the nails. And so I'm gonna take that first nail here, flip it over, I'm just going to apply enough of the gel to where it is meeting the inside of that press-on nail. Now I'm just apply just a little bit extra at the cuticle area. Got my little flash curing lamp here. So I'm going to flip the nail over. I'm going to go all the way down to the cuticle. I'm not going to tuck, but I'm going to just let the gel work its way down, and then I'm going to cure. That's what the first nail is looking like. Perfect application. Next I'm going to go in with this nail. I'm going to repeat the same process again. I'm just going to go in to where I feel like the natural nail is going to meet that press on, and then just apply a little extra. Flip the nail over, and then I'm going to bring the nail to the cuticle and allow the gel to work its way down, and then cure. Alrighty, so this is what these two nails look like. I'm gonna do the rest off camera. This is what the nails are looking like after application. Super, super cute. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and file off that little nub that's at the tip here. I'll do that to all the nails. Next, I got these really cute like black and silver nail stickers. I just want to apply a few of these to the nails. So I think I want to do this on my index finger here. Cute. And then I'm going to apply this one. Super cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the builder gel to all the nails and then cure for 60 seconds. Flip for 10, cure for 60. So I mean the builder gel looks like. Now let's go in with some top coat. Flip for 10, cure for 60. All right, you guys. Ain't she cute though? Yes, I am absolutely loving how this set turned out. I think that these nails are super gorge. They're perfect for this time of the year if you're in the mood for like a darker theme, you know, some black nails but still giving like that floral summertimey kind of look. I love it. It also it's giving like throwback vibes. Like this, I feel like these are some designs that you probably wear back in like the 90s or early 2000s, but super cute nonetheless. Yeah, big shout out to BTArtBox for sending these nails over for review. I think these designs are super cute. I mean, like I said, you just can't go wrong with a cute French tip. And like I said, I did get them in the medium almond as well as the long square. And if you guys are wanting to get your hands on these nails, I do have a discount code with BTArtBox. I'm gonna leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below in case you guys want to save some coin while you're shopping their website. These designs are also available on Etsy. I'll link that as well. But yeah, another special shout out to BTArtBox for sponsoring today's video. These nails turned out super cute. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.